Hey, supercharged entrepreneur. In just 48 hours, I'm hosting an exclusive workshop that could completely transform your business. It's called Break the Six-Figure Prison, Eliminating Limiting Beliefs for Seven-Figure Growth. Here's what you need to know is this Thursday, August 8th, 2024. It's 3 p.m. Eastern Time. It's a 90-minute workshop. It's live. I'm there live with you. There are only 8 spots remaining. And in this intensive session, you'll discover the number one limiting belief holding back even talented entrepreneurs and how to crush it. I'm going to share with you my proprietary 4-step NLP technique that will annihilate your limiting beliefs in minutes on that live session. The secret 3 energy ball technique that neurologically installs a new empowering 7-figure beliefs and a personalized roadmap to integrate your new mindset for massive results. Look, this isn't theory. You're going to go off this workshop a different person. Neurologically, what is happening in your brain will be different. We're going to remove those limiting beliefs that are keeping you stuck at 6 figures and install some 7-figure beliefs so that you can just see this exponential growth like a lot of my private clients have done by using this very same technique. Now, normally I charge up to $2,500 for a private 90-minute session, but for this workshop, you can get in for just $97. Why so low? Because I'm on a mission to help as many entrepreneurs break free from their self-imposed prisons and skyrocket to 7 figures and beyond. But remember, there's only 8 spots remaining and they'll be gone soon enough. So don't let another day go by trapped in your 6-figure prison. Click the link in the comments to learn more and secure your spot today. And hopefully I'll see you on Thursday at 3 p.m. To your prison break. Mark Dharma, high performance coach to 7 and 8-figure entrepreneurs. P.S. Don't wait, it's this coming Thursday. After this, the video will be obsolete. It'll come down. And what you don't want to do is wait till next year before I do it again, maybe because you've lost hundreds of thousands of dollars if you wait. The faster you change your limiting beliefs into empowering 7-figure beliefs, the quicker you're going to cross that 7-figure mark. If you're an entrepreneur who's already making 7 figures or above, I'll work with you. It's a small enough group. We're only going to have 10 people max. It's a small enough group that can work with you one-on-one to help you unlock the next level for you. But if you are a 6-figure entrepreneur, you need this. Click the link in the comments and I'll see you on Thursday.